Alright, alrighty. Okay, 14th Thursday of August, 2025, trade recap. I used to do this shit. Like, um, I used to do this on in my book, but you know, thought I'll do a video to, I don't know, hopefully get to people who are starting out or, you know, having trouble and, you know, uh, whatever the case may be. Um, just people can get an insight, on how I do things, and they can ask questions along the way. And yeah, so coming into market opening, I used the 1 hour as a bias, because I don't want to be sitting on like the 4 hour time frame or the daily time frame. I want to know what like the next hour candle will look like, or try trade up to that or things like that. So we had breaker structure here. We also had one here, but um, on the 4 hour time frame, I was looking to see whether we still in a bullish market structure, which we were, as we broke this major high here. So, 1 hour was down, 4 hours was buys. So I decided to go for buys today, just because we already made that drop, and obviously targeting liquidity here, also filling in these gaps as well, these unmitigated gaps. So price opened around here, I would say. What's it? Yep. So London session open. Yep. So I get on around 6. Yep. So an hour before market opens, I'm on the charts, just seeing what market's doing, how it's moving. What are my POIs? So I marked those out. Unmitigated fair value gaps here. So I just drew the fib up from, since we broke structure here. Draw the fib up here. We were in a discount. So I'm thinking, okay, buys could work, but I can't forget that we broke structure here. So this leg down actually means something. Price could easily reverse off here. Definitely fill in this gap for sure. We could fill in this gap and easily go down more to target here, target here, target here, target here. Also these gaps as well. Even on the higher time frame, we could easily, fill in this 1 hour gap to fill, you know, to take out this 4 hour liquidity down here. Um, but I was bullish for the day. Once price came into here, I was looking to see what we did at this fair value gap here. Um, Bearish pressure was definitely on um, at this stage, as we had a huge cross here. So after we broke this fair value gap, I was looking to see whether we could flip this 5 minute gap here. We reacted off this fair value gap, but we could easily push lower. So I'm thinking, what is this gap gonna do? And and we had a nice push out of it. So I'm like, okay, cool. We broke. We're in this gap. This gap was created. We broke through it, and I'm looking for, this becomes an inversion fair value gap. So I'm looking for a retest continuation, um, which we did get here. I entered around here somewhere on the 1 minute. Once we hit that gap, oh, where is it? Let's get rid of this. Once we hit that gap, I was kind of looking for a good bullish kind of reaction out of it, which is what we got here as we wicked through. Um, Kind of broke this high here, so I'm like, okay, cool. Kind of just waiting for the retest of this fair value gap into somewhere here. I mean, counting for spreads as well. So this isn't really accurate. It's just a tool. And I'm targeting this 1 hour fair value gap. Why? Because as I mentioned before, we were in a discount to go higher But if the market works off two things, it is imbalances and it's liquidity, right? So I targeted this fair value gap as it's been unmitigated. It could be a magnet for price, but also watching out for this 1 hour high as well that was created because we could easily swipe these highs and then continue down lower. But yeah, I was definitely gonna see what price did around here. If we had a nice bullish reaction out of it, we could easily tap into this fair value gap as retail traders will probably think, it's a sweep of hourly highs or look for a 1 minute break of structure, 1 minute fair value gap, and they will enter not knowing that there is a 1 hour fair value gap above it. So we can easily take out those traders, fill in this gap before continuing lower. But that is my thought process of the day. Um, yeah, I did get out around around here. I think when yeah, I did get out around here after this candle close here because I just wasn't liking how this market structure was building. Super balanced. Bulls and bears fighting it out over here. Nice push up, strong push down. You know, and since like when I got out, market started kind of respecting uh, order flow, which is crazy. But yeah, the market will test you. Um, and that is that. Um, yeah, so I will be recording my journey, posting on YouTube for whatever, kind of for me. But if anyone taps in and asks a question, just let me know. Um, I'll do my best to get to you guys. Um, it's funny I'm saying this with no subscribers or no viewers, but oh well. Uh, but that is that. Yeah. Um, I do think we will fill in this gap and take out this high. But yeah, I did get out. Profit for the day, like $40, which is alright. Um, and that is that. That is London session over and done for the day. Um, yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace out, peace out, peace out.